Hi everybody, we are in our 14th lesson, our 14th Spanish lesson at www.spanishfreelessonsonline.com. In this lesson we'll learn the words in Spanish for this, these, that, those, this one, that one, and all that, okay? So, try to pay attention at the pronunciation and at the spelling, and especially in this case at the difference that this little mark makes in the meaning of the word. You see this little line on top of the vowel, in this case of the letter E, is called a tilde in Spanish. And the tilde always marks where the accent is, in which syllable the accent is. However, most words don't need a tilde, and some few do need a tilde. And there are rules for the tildes so that we know when we use a tilde and when not. The rules are we'll see in the future, but now this is a first approach to tildes, and you can see clearly what the function of the tilde in these words, right? You can see when the word is the same word, but has a different function, you can actually differentiate which is a function of the word with the tilde. Same case as the word tú, right? Tú or él. Tú means you, él means he. You know that when you refer to the person tú or the person él, both words, both monosyllabic words have a tilde, right? I'll show you. Tú means you. Él means he. When they refer to the person, you or he, they always have a tilde. However, when tú is a pronoun like tu auto, right? This means your car. Here, the word tú does not have a tilde. Okay, so when tú means you, it has a tilde. When tú means your, it does not have a tilde. Okay, and with él or he, when él means he, it has a tilde. When él is an article, right? Definite masculine singular article, then it does not have a tilde. For example, auto, car, right? Auto is short form for automobile, right? Auto is masculine word, and since we are going to use a singular, right? We'll use a singular article. We'll say the car. In Spanish is el auto. El auto. Here, el does not mean he. Here it means the. In this case, el does not have a tilde as here. Okay? Well, this actually belongs to the fourth rule of the tildes, right? Here we'll see some more cases that belong to the fourth rule of tildes. So, let's see. Este libro. Look at the first phrase here. Este libro. Este means this. Este libro is this book. Now look. Which book? ¿Cuál? ¿Cuál means which one or which, right? ¿Cuál? Este, this one. You see, este has a tilde here. However, when we say este libro, it does not have a tilde. So, how can we translate to English the difference between este with a tilde and este without a tilde? Este without a tilde from este libro means this, right? This something, this book, this car, this something. That one does not have a tilde. When we want to say this one, in Spanish you say este. Okay? Este. You can see there is a tilde here, the line on top of the letter E. Okay? You see, so both are pronounced the same, only that este with a tilde means this one. Este without a tilde always needs to be followed by a noun or by an adjective that refers to a noun, okay? You can say este libro or este gran libro, this big book, okay? But needs to be followed by something else if you use este without a tilde. Like this book, right? You say you need to follow it with either a noun or an adjective. This book. This one. Este. Okay? Now, in English, while in English the word this refers to both masculine and feminine, right? Because actually, same as the English article, the is universal, right? For Spanish, however, you need to either use este or esta, depending on whether you're referring to a masculine or a feminine. Okay? To a masculine or a feminine object or word or noun or whatever. So, libro, book, is masculine. El libro, typically ending in an O, as masculine, as most masculine words. Lámpara means lamp, a lamp. Lámpara, ending in A, is a typical feminine noun. So, esta lámpara, this lamp. ¿Cuál? Which one? This one. Sorry, esta. Here should be singular. Right? Because we are talking about lámpara in singular, just one lamp. Okay? If it were plural, it would have an S at the end, which is not the case. So, esta lámpara, this lamp. ¿Cuál? Which one? Esta, this one. Again, pay attention how esta, this one, has a tilde here, the line. When you say this lamp, this something, esta lámpara, it doesn't have a tilde. Okay? Now in plural, masculine plural, we say estos. Estos means these masculine. Estos libros, these books. ¿Cuáles? Right? ¿Cuál would be singular. Plural would be cuáles. Right? For which. Which books? ¿Cuáles? Estos. These. Okay? Estos with a tilde. Now I say estas lámparas. You see? Feminine plural.